Right. So in last class we learned about number one, that is called as products which are available in the Tableau. We know main products are three. One is Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online. And also we are aware of it, in any customer project we'll implement only two things, either Tableau Desktop plus Server or Tableau Desktop plus Online. Small or medium sized customers we can expect Desktop plus Online. Big customers we can expect Tableau Desktop plus Server. And if the job role is admin, we are going to work with the either Tableau Server or Tableau Online. If your job role is developer, then you are going to work with the Tableau Desktop. That's what you understand about the products. Second, yes, we are going to install the server also. Yeah, online we have it, as well as online is 14 days license we have it, that you can configure it, but 14 days license for each Gmail ID. So we can create so many Gmail IDs, right? So we can get 14 days of license always in your lifelong.
Rather than that, yesterday you said like if you are having any
identity card, whatever is available, that is only for desktop. I'll talk about that one.
Okay.
Now, we know now second one, that is called as workflow. We understand yesterday. The workflow is what? Being a reporting guy, we need to develop number one, that is called as sheet, S-H-E-E-T, sheet. Sheet in Tableau is nothing but report. In general, we are going to call it as report. In Tableau, we are saying as sheet. Inside the sheet, we are going to develop one report. It may be pie chart, it may be column chart, it may be line chart, it may be one table, it may be one pivot table. One sheet will has only one visualization or one analysis. These all sheets I can go and I can integrate inside the dashboard. For example, we have one sheet that is top 10 products. Second sheet, top 10 customers. Third sheet, top 10 regions. Fourth sheet, top 10 months. These all four things I can create one dashboard as a top 10 analysis like the dashboard. These all four sheets I can integrate inside the dashboard. And now these dashboards as well as sheets, either dashboards or sheets or both, only sheets, only dashboards or both, either dashboards or sheets or both can be integratable inside the story. These are the three terms what you have to know about it. One is sheet, second is dashboard, third is story. These three things are available inside what? Book. Inside what? Workbook. In the Tableau it is called as TWB, Tableau Workbook. It is Tableau Workbook. Okay, today we need to understand how to install the Tableau. That's what our goal. Tell me, online folks, who has the 8 GB of the RAM? Quickly tell me. I am going to install in your PC only. Quickly tell me.
I have
6 GB of the RAM. Who has 8 GB of RAM?
I have 16.
8 GB I want. Edger. Oh, Edger, you have 16 GB. You are the one. Let me make you. I have two edges I am seeing here. Okay. I am making you presenter. Did you get any request? Yes, we got one request. Excellent. Now we are able to see our screen. In that screen, just go to the Just go to the browser, then type www.tableau.com/esdalt. www.tableau.com/esdalt. esdalt. Enter. Enter. Now, does not register. esdalt. esdalt. Tableau.com. esdalt. Right. This is the page from where you can download your desktop software or server software. Anything you can go and you can download from this page. Now, in the under the desktop, we have your first version. What is the first version? We have 10.2. We have the first version. What is that? 10.2. If scroll down, 10.2 is the first version. And in that one we have here, Tableau desktop 32-bit, Tableau desktop 64-bit. First two things. Windows installer. There we have the Tableau desktop 32-bit, Tableau desktop 64-bit. Two things are available. What you clicked? You clicked on the 64-bit, right? Okay, that's fine. Your mission, you have to see your operating system bits are what you have to see it. That we have to click on it. So we clicked on the Tableau desktop 64-bit because is mission operating system 64-bit operating system. That's what he clicked on that one. And here we are seeing the versions, right? Each version by default will be valid only for 14 days. Each version is valid for 14 days. I mean to tell 10.2 is valid for what? 14 days. If 10.2 is completed, let us say, you can uninstall that product and you can install 10.1. There are also 14 days are completed. Then you can uninstall and you can install what? 10.0. Okay, but one problem is in 10.2 you developed one report. You saved it that you cannot open using the lower version. However, reverse is possible. You developed a report using Tableau 9.3, let us say, that can be opened automatically with 10.2. I hope I am clear. In these versions, if you scroll down, so many versions are available from 10th version to 3rd version we have here for download purpose. 10th, 9th, then 8th, then 7th, 6th, 5th, like that, up to 3rd version we have it. Even lower versions are also available. There is a link is available. Still you want lower versions like that. That means 1.0 also available. What I am saying is lower version report can be opened with higher version software. But higher version report cannot be opened with lower version software. That's what I want to tell. So by default, he is going to get 14 days of the license. By default, he is going to get 14 days of the license. However, there is an option for students. Okay, if you go and try to click on the student license, then it is going to ask you ID card photo and information when it is going to expire, what is the full name, what is the college name, what is the location, like that. If you provide that one, Tableau guy directly send one key to that Gmail address or whatever you provided. Using that key, 1 year you can work on that one. But this facility is available only for desktop, not for the server, not for the online. I hope I am clear. By default, desktop or server or online, how many days license? 14 days. But however, if you are a student, if you have the valid college identity card, you means here it need not be you only, your friend or your sister or your brother, whoever it is. All I need is one identity card I required, that's it. All I need is one identity card I required. And one more point is, with one identity card you can enable for 2 missions. Whatever key is providing, right? That key will work for 2 missions. Okay, so if you have two members friends are available, you can go for the with one key, 2 members can validate for 1 year. That facility also we have it. Okay. Yeah. Now, if you go and try to observe here, let us say is downloaded. First today I will try to show you how to do for the 14 days. Then I will show you how to implement for the 1 year. By any chance, Edger, do you have the student ID card?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. If no means it's okay. If yes means I can implement now itself. Okay. As no, then you can go for the 14 days. You can install it. Okay. Click on that software whatever you downloaded. Click on that software whatever you downloaded. Right. Open the folder. Then try to click on it. Right. Now try to double click. Installation is very simple. Nothing much. Just keep on, close your eyes and next. No need to provide any inputs from your side. Okay, that much of simple it will happens. Yes, what it's saying, welcome to the Tableau, then so and so version, and is asking to, do you want me install it? Okay, click on it. Then it's trying to install it. Once it's completed, you will get the finish option. That's it. Do you have any difficulty here? No, it is not even asking any one input from your side. By default, it is installed in our C drive. In the documents folder. Go to the documents folder parallelly. Windows Explorer, then documents folder. Yeah. Documents folder. Left side, we can see the documents. Yeah, you are seeing it actually. Below the desktop, we have this PC. Yes, this is the documents folder. Can you maximize this window? Are you seeing anything called as Tableau repository? Are you seeing anything called as Tableau repository?
No, sir.
No, maybe it is installing it. Still it is installing it. Let it complete then. Just refresh it, we will be able to see it shortly. You will be able to see shortly. So see the installation of how far it came. Still it is doing. Okay. Meanwhile, I am making myself as a presenter. Just go and try to see it. What we have here. The steps, whatever we have here, if you go and try to observe the steps, what is the step here? Download 14 days license software from, this is the location. It may be server or it may be desktop. Online means you need not install anything, right? Okay. Now, second is 1 year license. If you are looking for, then you have to go for what? This is the link you have to go for it. Meanwhile, let me cover the what is 1 year license is going to do. What is 1 year license is going to do. Click on this one. I am trying to click on this 1 year license, whatever we have it. Then we got here one window. There is asking what Tableau for students. Download Tableau desktop for free and gain valuable data skills. If I click on here, get Tableau for free. Then it's saying as what? You are almost there. Students K-12 and post-secondary who are eligible, not LKG student or UKG students. Okay. Let us go for K-12. That means 12 plus. Okay. And what is the license you are going to get it? 1 year. It is only for available for? Only for desktop, not for the server. Tableau desktop license. Complete the form below to confirm your eligibility and unlock your free license. What form you have to fill? Country is what? And personal information, first name. And this first name and last name should be exactly match with your ID card. First name and last name. And school email it is saying, right? School email it is saying, right? Don't worry about it. You provide your personal email ID. I hope I am clear about this point. Even though it is saying as school email, you can provide your personal email ID. You can provide it. In my case, I provided dwramreddy@gmail.com. I provided when I was doing that one. That is the reason I got one mail to the dwramreddy. I got it. Okay, if you go and try to see. How the mail will be looks like is, there is no Tableau here. It's not there. Okay, that mail I think I didn't store properly. I don't have here somehow. Where I will get one mail simply. We'll get one mail. There we have what? One key will be there. There we have one key will be there. That's it. That's what you are going to get it. Now it is asking here confirm school email. You need not provide your school email. You can provide your personal email. You can provide it. Then school name and school postal code. Verify and continue. If you click on verify and continue, the next screen is it is going to ask you your photo of the ID card. Your photo of the ID card. You take the photo of the ID card and browse it and point it. Then it will be complete. For example, I am going for first name something. Okay, last name something. Then confirm mail ID also something. I am providing it. Okay. Now school name I am providing here something. School postal code I am providing here 5055. Then verify and continue. Then showing some problem. Select one country. So it's a country of India. I am selecting it. It's a country of India. I am going to select it. Then I am trying to click on here, verify and continue. Now what is the next? It is asking choose the file. What file? Your ID card. Then you click on what? Submit for review. Mostly it will tell 2 or 3 business days, but mostly within an hour of time you'll get the key. Mostly within an hour of time you'll get the key. Once you got the key, what you're supposed to do is, I think by this time the Azure installation might be completed. Let me make Azure as a presenter. I'm making Azure as a presenter.
It's still installing, sir.
Still installing?
Yes, sir.
Oh, is it? Okay, once installation is completed, is it hanged or something happened? It won't take this much time generally. Yeah, within 2 minutes it will install.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Jack.
Yeah,
Again, sir.
yeah, Jagan.
Actually, I got the ID card from one of my sister.
Okay, okay,
So this this Tableau has been installed like in my VMware actually.
okay. You can same software you can
So it was good,
make it as 1 year. Don't worry. There is a if you go to the if you have the software,
but it
you have
but
all
it is
the
showing like it is going to expire in 11 days, sir.
That's right. That's right. Once you got the key, that key you are going to enable it. If you enable the key, 1 year it will be valid. Okay. So I'm waiting for this installation should be completed, but it's not happening. I'm waiting for that. Any moment? No moment. Any pop-up we got, sir? Just try to verify. Any pop-up we got? No pop-ups. Only one window.
No pop-ups.
Okay. Okay. This has to happen quickly actually, but it's taking time.
It's installed in SQL Server.
Okay. Okay, let it complete. Meanwhile, what I will do is I will walk through the next points. Okay, give 5 minutes to the system. We'll see what will happens. If not, then we'll think about it. We'll try to do once again. Okay, so that's what this point. Whatever we have it, we can enable for what 1 year. If you want to enable, you can go and you can enable 1 year. How to enable that 1 year is I will show you how to enable the 1 year. Once everything is there, once you installed everything, installed it. Then we have to go for tablet desktop. There is a manage product keys option is available. What is the option? Manage product keys option is available. Then it's going to ask you the key. That key we have to provide it. That key we have to provide it. If you provide that key, it will be valid for 1 year. My mission also VM is starting. Give some time for this. Okay, next point is what? Refer Tableau public desktop installation from RRITEC website. Suppose you install it say 14 days. Thereafter we understand okay, how to connect to the Oracle database, how to connect to the SQL server. Those all things we understand, how to publish to the server, those all things. Then we want to do some practice, you want to do it. Then lifelong this Tableau public is what? Free. And you know Tableau public and Tableau desktop differences also. What is the difference between Tableau public and Tableau desktop? Tableau public desktop and normal Tableau desktop, what is the difference? It works only with files. That is the first point. Second is what? We cannot publish to the server. Third is what? We cannot save to the our local hard disk. We can save only to the Tableau public profile only. You can save it. These are the three differences we have it. Apart from that one, developing functionalities wise, whatever possible in the Tableau desktop, everything is available here. That means how many graphs are available here? Those all graphs are available here. What are the formattings you can do? Those all formattings you can do it. Only thing is what? Connecting to the data sources only differs. Okay, now data source connections. Data source connections. Okay, give me one more try here. Yeah, this is the Tableau desktop. Whatever I have it, Tableau 10.2. Let me open this Tableau 10.2. I'm trying to open this Tableau 10.2. It is opening, sir. Give some time. Right. Here we have the help. There is an option called as, what is this? Manage product keys is available. If you click on this manage product keys, if you click on manage product keys, it is showing here processing the request. Here what is the option available? Activate. If you click on this activate option, it is going to ask you the key. You will get one mail, I said, right? In the mail, whatever you got the key, that key you have to provide here, you have to click on activate. That's simple, activating your key. Am I clear, folks? How to activate the student key once installation is completed? Once installation is
Yes, sir.
completed, we have to go to the help. There is an option called as manage product keys. There we have the option called as activate. Then it is going to ask you product key. The product key you got in our mail, that you have to copy and paste here, then automatically it will be activated for you. In my case, I activated in the same pattern and I got here what? Up to 2018 March month I have it. Okay. So I think 1 year you worked on the desktop means there is nothing pending to learn it, sir. It is very simple tool, small tool, simple tool, small tool. If you learn even 3 months seriously, then the 4th month nothing is there to learn here. That much of simple tool it is. Only what you are going to learn is data scenarios more you are going to learn it. Navigations wise, options wise, all options you will be aware of it. Right? Okay. Now, let us go and try to see the connections. What is that? Tableau server installation I will show you down the line. I will show it. Not now. We do have here Tableau server installation. In the bottom, if you see our same nodes, in the same nodes, in the bottom, we have here we have here creating the Tableau site in the server. Installation is available here. Installing what? Tableau server option is available here. So at that moment we'll try to see it. At that moment we'll try to see it. Okay, time being, we'll go for first one that is called as data source connections. What is that? Data source connections. So how many types of connections we have? By seeing this diagram, how many types of connections we have? Two types. One is called as live connection. Second is called as extract type of connections. Only two types of connections we have it. Live connections and extract connections. What you mean by live connection is always it is touch base with database. Always it is touch base with database. What is extract connection is today whatever data available in the database table, everything is extracted into the Tableau local file. Tableau local file. That is called as extracted. On top of it, if you run one report, it will go to the database and from there it will give the data. On top of it, if you develop the report, it will go to the local file of the Tableau that is known as TDE, Tableau data extract. That file it will go and try to give the report to you. While you are extracting it, we do have here extracting is again two types. I can extract full data. All the data I can extract it. I can extract only some of the data I can extract it by. I can put the filter department number 10 data only I want it. With that I can create the TDE file. With all data also I can create the TDE file. Now we got the clarity. Connections are divided into what? Live connection. Second is extract connection. Extract connections are again divided into extract with all data. Next is what? Extract with some data. First we'll go and try to see here live connection, how to create it. Live connection, how to create it, we'll try to understand it. Okay, for this, let us go and try to see my VM. Right. This is whatever we have the VM. This is whatever we have the VM. And also I am giving control to you people so that you can practice it. Let me go for give the control to here. Edger I am giving control. I am giving the keyboard and mouse control I am giving. Is it installation is completed?
Yes, sir. About 10 minutes ago.
Oh, it's completed. Oh, okay. Then first we'll see the installation completed means how to confirm everything is working or not. First we'll see it. Then I'll start the connections. Is it okay? Okay. Let me make Edger machine as a presenter machine. Okay. Now we can see Edger machine now. It is asking here, I think you open Tableau desktop, you open. What is first time you are going means is going to ask you information about you. Provide your first name. You can give your true name or you can give false name also. It won't validate is right or not. You can give anything. Last name and business email, nothing but Gmail only you can provide it. No, don't worry. It will not be corporate ID. Provide your normal Gmail ID. First time whenever you open, it is going to ask this all information. Next, provide here, organization, some XYZ. Right. Now, United States, that's fine. State. Then zip code. Then one more option is there. What is it? Phone. Phone, give the wrong phone number, sir. Not the right phone number. Otherwise, the sales reps will call you. They will ask you how it is the product, what is the feedback. Those are all questions, unnecessary questions. That is reason better if you provide this one wrong. If you provide that will be best. Or if you want to help the Tableau by providing the feedback, then you can provide the right number. Yes, click on the create. Right, hang tight. We are activating your trial. Hang tight. We are activating your trial. So it's going to activate your trial version of 14 days. It's going to activate it. It is activated. Now, if you go and try to observe here, if you want to develop a simple report, if you want to develop it, if you want to develop a simple report, click on the Excel over there. Click on the Excel over there. Click on the Excel over there. Then see here by default what it is opened. What is the folder it is opened? Documents. My Tableau repository. Next what? Data sources. And the software is very small software, right? That is the reason in the documents folder only sitting everything. Go to the Windows Explorer and show me the documents folder. Go to the Windows Explorer and show me the documents folder. Yeah, there is a My Tableau repository is available, right? After desktop installation, you will get only one folder, that is My Tableau repository, and by default location is what? Documents location, we are going to get that one. By default location is what? Documents location, we are going to get it. As of now, you didn't develop single workbook also, right? That is the reason if you go to the workbooks folder here, it is empty. Workbooks folder here, if you go and try to see what is this, it is empty, right? Do you have any workbooks? No workbooks are available here. No workbooks are available. There is some junk file. Okay. Now go back one step. Go back one step. No. In the same folder, go back one step. Right. Now here we can see the data sources. Go to the data sources. 10.2. Go into that. Right. For our practice purpose, Tableau guy given one Excel file to you. Using this Excel file only, all Tableau examples are explained. For example, you are referring any Tableau document for one of the concept purpose. That concept is explained using the data of this Excel file. If you want to open Excel file, you can open. Double click on it. Then it will open. Inside this one, we have 3 tables. One is orders, people. Then we have one more thing. What is that? We are seeing bottom page names. What is the page names? Orders, returns, people. Three things are available. In that one, orders is the biggest one. Each page, whatever available, one table. How Tableau is going to treat? Each page of the MS Excel will be treated as a one table of the Tableau. One table of the Tableau. So now, as for the Tableau now, how many tables are available in this MS Excel? 3 tables are available. These 3 tables will try to access it. Close this MS Excel. Close this MS Excel. Now go to your previous screen, Tableau desktop screen. There 10.2, we have in the 10.2 only we have it. Go into the 10.2. Then go into that. Then we have what is the file? Sample Superstore. Select it. Open. Beautiful. It is going to open now. It is going to open now. Now, once it is opened, you can see the windows. You can see the windows here. What are you seeing the windows here?
Sample.
If possible, provide the controls to me also. I am requesting the keyboard and mouse controls. I requested. Okay. Now, if you see here, what is this one? Connection. What connection it is? Sample Superstore. What type of file it is? Excel file. Under that one, how many sheets we have? 3 sheets. Orders, people, returns. These are the 3 sheets, whatever we have it. And this is called as drag sheets here. That means whatever sheets available, we are going to drag here. If anyone is aware of the OBAWE RPD or Cognos Framework Manager Model or SAP BO Designer Universe, whatever we are doing in those things, same kind of work we are going to do here. What we are doing in RPD, we are providing the joins. Mainly what? Providing the joins among the tables. Those all work we are going to do here. So drag and drop orders, people, returns into this area. Drag and drop orders. Excellent. Whenever you drag and drop, automatically based on the common column, system is creating join. If you don't like that one, you can click on that one. What type of join it is created? Inner join. And what is the based on which column it is created? Based on which column it is created, in the bottom we can observe what is that one? What is this column? Region column. In this orders table, region column. In the people's table also, region column. That's what we are able to observe here. Okay, excellent. Now close this. Now try to drag and drop even returns also. If these names you don't like it, let us say, you can go and you can change any name. I mean to say, even this connection name, if you want to change, you can change it. This table name, if you want to change it. This column name, if you want to change it. Even this value, you don't like it. This value also you can change it. But whatever changes you are doing here, those are Tableau local. What is that? You are not changing the MS Excel. Your database you are not changing. You are changing only what? In the locally we are changing it. Okay. Now try to cancel it. What happened? One more time people is came. Delete it. Right click on the people. One more time we click. That's what it came. Right. If you want to change it, you are trying to change the name, I think. Okay. Right click on the people in the work area. Or we have here. Yeah, we got bottom. What is the bottom? Oh, sorry, that is remove. It seems to be. Okay.
Yeah, remove.
No. Just click on the people like this. Click outside. Click on the people test. Click on the people test. Yes. Now it is allowing, right? So you can change whatever name you want. You can change it. You can change it. Okay, that much. Simply we can go on. You can change the names also if you don't like those names. If you don't like those names. Now click on the bottom sheet 1. Click on the bottom sheet 1. Now develop one small report. Drag and drop category into the rows. Category into the rows. In the top we have the rows. Rows shelf. This is called as row shelf. Are you seeing it? I think my cursor is not working.
It's not working. I can't see it, sir. Here?
Yeah, yes, that's right. Above. Rows is available, right? Rows, ROWS, rows. Above. Still above. That is the right side. In the same line, right side. That is the place, right? Yes, we dragged it. Now sales, drag and drop into the columns. In the bottom, we have the sales. Bottom, totally bottom. Measures, totally bottom. Still bottom. Yes, sales. Drag into the columns. Now try to save this one. Click on the save. Now by default, where it is saving? Workbooks folder. What is the type of file it is called as? Save as type is what? Save as type is what? Tableau workbook. Tableau workbook. Give the name as first report. Then save it. Now go to the Windows Explorer and show me is it came over there or not. Go to the My Tableau repository, then workbooks. Previously we noticed here we have no reports are available. Now we are seeing what? One report. Right click and show me the properties. What is the extension of this one? Right click and show me the properties. What is the extension of this one?
.twb. TWB.
TWB. Tableau workbook. TWB means Tableau workbook. Okay, now we got the clarity what it is. Cancel it. And this is what we have to verify once your installation is completed. Now let me summarize it. Once the installation is complete, what you have to verify? You have to go to the documents folder. We have to see My Tableau repository folder is created or not. That we have to see it. And try to develop a small report by opening the Tableau desktop, whatever I did now. We know one sample Excel file also available for quickly accessibility purpose. You can go and you can get that Excel file and try to develop the report. This is what you have to do after post installation. We have to do this is what the activity. Now I can confirm excellent. You installed the product excellently. Am I clear, folks, with installation?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. Now let us go and try to understand connections. We know now these connections are divided into two types. One is live connection, second is extract connection. And in the extract we have here two things. One is all data, second is what? Some data. We have two things. Now go and try to connect to the, let us say, one of the table in the Oracle database or one of the table using one notepad, whatever you like it. Quickly practicing purpose, we'll go with the test file, because everyone will have the test file. Or if you want to go with the Oracle also, you can go for the Oracle, whatever you like it. Okay, If you want to go with the Oracle, then we have to go and we have to create one table. Inside the Oracle, you have to create it. Okay, let me create here one small table. I am creating it in the SQL Plus. I am opening what? SQL Plus. Then Scott / Tiger @ORCL. Scott is a username, Tiger is a password, ORCL is my database name. Then I am trying to create one table, create table, and I am giving the name as your batch name 8 a.m. batch. It's a batch of what? 8 a.m. batch. Then I am trying to say as we are trying to take two things. One is ename column. That column data type as varchar2, size as 20. Second is salary column, the data type as number, then enter. Invalid table name. Okay, it may not be start with the numeric, it seems to be. So we are giving here table underscore 8 a.m. So table created. Now I am trying to insert one record, insert into table underscore 8 a.m. values are, I am giving first value as Ram is the employee and he has a salary of, let us say, 1,000 rupees is a salary. So one row created. Similarly, I am trying to create here one more row. That row is called as edger. Then salary is, let us say, 2,000. Then enter. Then we are trying to commit here. Okay. So we committed. We got now how many records available in this table now? 2 records available. This table I want to see in my Tableau workbook. I want to create inside the Tableau workbook. I want to access this one. How you can access it? We are going to see it now. Okay. Click on the Oracle. There is a connect option. Under the connect, we have the Oracle. Click on the Oracle. Right. It is asking what it is. Server name. What is our server name? ORCL. Server name is nothing but database name. ORCL. And what is the username in the bottom? Scott. What is the password? The optional, sir. Port number is 1521 is providing, right? By default, system will take this one from the TNS file. Those all are optional. So provide here Tiger. Sign in. Beautiful. We are able to sign in. And also we are seeing here what it is connection. ORCL, Oracle. What is the schema? Scott. And what are the tables we have? These are the tables. If you want to change the schema, you have option to change the other schemas. In the schema, whatever tables available, we are going to see it. Okay, in my case, I would like to go for the Scott schema only. So I am going for Scott, and whenever you are typing it, you should type the capital letters only, because metadata always available in the database as a capital letters it is available. So we are going for the Scott. Then what is your table name, sir? TABLE table underscore 8 AM is the table name. Then there is an option called as small search. If you click on the search, you are able to see what? Our table. If you have, let us say, thousands of tables, then only you need to go for the search. If it is 1 or 2 tables means, then directly I can access it, right? Okay. If you go and try to select this one, then that is added here. How many columns are there? 2 columns. One is ename, second is salary. Ename data type is what? ABC. ABC means string or varchar. Sal data type is what? Number symbol. That means it is a number. And there is a update now, automatically update. If you want to see the data, you can click on here and you are able to see what? 2 records available in that one, Ram and Edger. And here, what type of connection we are creating? What type of connection? Live connection. How many types of connections are possible? 2 connections, live and extract. If I select here extract, we also can provide here what is this extract with all data. Here there is option in the edit. Here I can provide here what it is, filter. If I provide the filter, that means what? Partial data we are going to extract it. I will talk about extract later. Let me create here live connection first. I am selecting what option? Live option. I am selecting it. Now I am going to the sheet 1. Sheet 1 name also I am renaming it. How I can rename? Just right click on that. There is an option called as here rename. This rename I am putting for our remembering purpose, live connection understanding. We are trying to understand what? Live connection we are understanding. So I am giving the name also like that. Then whatever we have here ename, just I am trying to double click. We got the ename here. The salary whatever available, I am trying to double click. Then I got the salary also here. By default we got here what type of thing we got it? Test. This is came to the T. It is came to the test. It is okay. Just try to double click it time being. Now we got how many records? 2 records. Let me save this one. There is an option called as save. I am saving into documents, my Tableau repository, then workbooks. In the workbooks I am trying to create here one dedicated folder for our batch. That folder is 8 AM. I am creating it. Inside the 8 AM I am trying to provide here what type of thing we are learning? Live connection understanding. Now one workbook we created. If you want you can go and you can see in my documents. In the documents we have what is this? My Tableau repository. There is a workbooks. In that one we create what? ATM folder. In that one what is available? Live connection understanding is available. Right. Now what will happen if I go to the SQL plus? If I go to the SQL plus, if I am trying to add one more record, what will happen? For example, this record I am saying as 3000 and this record name I am trying to change here as, right, what is your good name? Teja I am writing here. Then enter. One record added, then I am trying to commit here. Now if I click on here, right click, there is an option called as, what is this? If I do the refresh, then what will happen? Immediately it will go to where? Database, Oracle database will go. Then in the table how many records available, those all things we are going to see it. Wow, beautiful. We are able to see it or not? That's what the meaning of live connection. The moment you click on the refresh, it is going to the database and we are getting it. Actually I clicked on the refresh because this workbook is open stage. Suppose this workbook is closed. Now we are opening freshly. Then automatically it will be refreshed and we will get it. Are you getting my point? If you are opening now, at the time of opening, if it is a live connection, immediately go to the database. The database, whatever data available, it will show to you. As already it is open, that is the reason I clicked on what? Refresh, I clicked on it. You got my point? So live connection is nothing but simple words communicating directly with what? Database. Always report will be touch base with what? Database. Report data is coming from where? Database. That's where what will happen in case of the live connection. It will happen database to report relationship is available. Database to report we have the relationship. Am I clear this point? Yes. Okay. Now remaining point we'll try to understand tomorrow's class. The extract connections we'll try to understand tomorrow, and also we are going to learn how to convert live connection to the extract connection to the live connection, and more about the TDE file we'll try to understand tomorrow. Okay, thank you. And by tomorrow everyone need to install the desktop in your own laptop, sir. without fail, and also enable the student license. Try to enable. Edger, try to get some license, some student ID card from someone, and I am expecting by tomorrow it should be 1 year license.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Yeah, sure. If you didn't get any student ID, let me know. I'll get it for you. But you can
Okay,
have
sir.
the friends I know.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Anyone has any questions? And also,
can we receive the document?
Sir, please register for the course without fail today and try to come tomorrow onwards.
Documentation?
Yeah, this all documentation will be shared immediately after your registration process. Okay, right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Ram.
Yeah, I am with you.
Yeah, I did send you the money. Did you receive?
No, I didn't get chance to see that. Okay, I will see it at 10:30 like that, and I will immediately reply to you. 10:30 in my time. Okay, another 1 hour.
Ah, okay, I see.
Thank you.
Okay, I see. All right, thanks.
Yeah, we'll share all the materials to you. Don't worry.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, bye.